The singlet module is quickly produced and is one of the basic items your child will always need. Make it in a light knit for summer or a merino blend for those cooler winter months. Use patterned knit fabric. Go for colour. Kids look great in colour. The pattern pieces you need for the singlet is a singlet front, cut one on the fold, and a singlet back, cut one on the fold. So now you're going to cut out the singlet, lay your piece down, pin it in place, and when cutting it you want to cut as close as possible to the pattern piece, especially around the curves, and make sure you put your markings in. And when you finish the front, you need to cut out the back pattern piece as well, which is very similar to the front pattern piece. Shoulder seams. With right sides facing, you pin the front to the back at the shoulders on both sides, and you sew the seam from the neck to the arm opening. You're sewing it with a zigzag stitch, 3mm wide, 3mm long. When you're finished, press the shoulder seams towards the back. Side seams. With right sides facing, pin the front to the back at the side seams. Sew the side seam from the armpit to the lower edge, and repeat this with the other side. When you're finished, press the side seams towards the back. Again, you're doing this seam with zigzag. You get views from the side and from the back. When I was pressing, I used a tailor's ham, which is quite a solid surface, a little bit more solid than your ironing board, and it helps to press curved seams. Neck and arm openings. To reduce the bulk at the seams, trim a little triangle off at the shoulder seam and the side seam. Fold a 1 cm hem in towards the wrong side of the fabric at the neck and this armhole. Because it's a curved seam, use plenty of pins. And to top stitch this, you can use the zigzag stitch, the running stitch, or a twin needle. The running stitch looks very pretty. The top stitching using a twin needle looks very professional and as if it's manufactured. Make sure you trim your threads off when you finish, and underneath on the wrong side where you've got the zigzag stitching, trim away any excess fabric. Hems. We're going to fold the lower edge to the wrong side with a 1.5 cm hem, pin it all the way round, and top stitch on the right side with zigzag, running stitch, or the twin needle. Trim any excess fabric and press from the wrong side. At this point you can press the hem of the singlet, the neck and the armholes.